All right guys, today we are going to cut this shed. Right along here is their property line, so we're gonna probably cut along that window, and then inside of here there is a big slab of concrete, probably like 4 to 5 inches, and then we're gonna cut all through here, get all this drywall and everything off the ceiling, and we're gonna actually destroy this whole side as well. So coming around the back, they have another stake here, so now I got to figure out where this lines up with the inside. So that's what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna attempt to cut this shed in half so their cats can live in it. Might be another crowbar and hammer in my truck. Hey sir, can I talk to you for a minute? No. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to break this, but there's no guarantee that the whole thing will stay. So I'm gonna do it or not. I mean, I'm hoping it breaks in half, but I just don't know before I do it.
You think it'll stay?
It's hard to say. There's just no real good way to do it because I can't stand on that roof because it's not strong enough.
Right, I understand.
So that's why basically I cut that. So hopefully, but it's going to be a lot of weight coming down. So that's why I'm hoping it'll just snap.
Right.
And then we'll be good to go. But I don't know if it's going to try to pull that.
We don't get on this fence up on there. Huh?
I don't think so. Okay. I'm going to have to hit this wall out. I'm going to hit that wall out.
Okay. I mean, but either way, man, this, I mean, I hope it stays up. Oh, you already cut that out, right?
Yeah, I cut right here, like on the bottom, on the top, and in the middle.
Okay then.
But the plywood's still connected. It should be rotten enough to snap. Okay. I just got to tell you that.
Right.
So if the whole thing comes down,
we hope so.
I hope so too.
Good film.
Hold on, I got you.
Hold it. I've been playing basketball with Chris.
It'll fall.
say? What did you say?
They only did it because they wanted to make a YouTube video.
Because nobody's ever asked me to cut a shed in half before.
Oh, guess what? You can.
Thank God for you.
You gonna put it on Facebook?
Thank God for you. He get his content right.
So what I was thinking too,
You can be getting a lot higher.
I think you are.
Don't think about it. You will.
better long.
Hey guys, so we're just finishing up this job. I'm actually gonna show you a photo of the finished product because the neighbor actually came out. I didn't get it on footage either, on film, but she came out and freaked out and they were yelling at each other and stuff. And basically I just wanted to get out of there as fast as possible. But it was a weird request. I've never had to cut up a shed in half and then I had to re-support the whole existing part of it. And I don't know how long that's gonna really last. It's not built correctly. You need to reinforce it, but I wasn't here to do carpentry work either, and they didn't want to pay. They actually asked me to not charge as much because we didn't take the concrete. They told me the concrete was going to be 1 inch thick. It was like 4 to 6 inches thick, and I was like, that's a whole nother story for us to remove that, the weight and just the work it takes to pick that up. So overall, really weird. It was for their cats, but you know, half of it was on their neighbor's property, and we cut it, I thought, pretty good, and it did cut in half, so that worked out good. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and thanks for watching this crazy episode. Later.